We're gonna fix this broken handle on this knife. Start by mixing up some Bondo. Take a piece of plastic bag, the knife on it, lay in the plastic. Fold over the plastic so we can sculpt it. Pull the plastic nice and tight and just work the contour. See, we have the basic contour now. Wait for everything to kind of set up and harden. Peel the plastic back. We have the basic contour. Using something like a cheese grater, we can start to take the edges off. If the body filler is soft like this, it'll just gum up sandpaper. I'll start working the contour with some 80 grit sandpaper. Now that it's not gummy, we can use a file to start to really shape it. Work it to the correct contour. With the file, just keep working the contour. Really starting to look like a handle now. Mix up a little 5-minute epoxy. The blade's moving just a little bit, so we'll fill it in with epoxy. Seal all the body filler with the epoxy as well. We'll let that 5-minute epoxy set up. Sand down all the epoxy. Blend the repair in with a Sharpie marker. It's not perfect, but it's a knife again.